In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your BNB address in Trust Wallet. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and straightforward way. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means you're in full control of your cryptocurrencies, so it's crucial to know how to access important details like your BNB address. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll notice several features right on the main screen. You'll see options such as send, receive, swap, buy, and GA, and sell. These are the features you'll frequently use to manage your digital assets, ensuring they don't stay stagnant. On the homepage, you'll see a display of various cryptocurrencies that Trust Wallet supports. This is where your tokens will be listed, allowing you to easily access and interact with them. Now you should see BNB listed among these tokens. If it's there, you can simply tap on it to proceed. However, if you don't see BNB on your homepage, don't worry. Trust Wallet allows you to customize what you see. Look for the option that says Manage Cryptos. This is a handy feature that lets you control which tokens appear on your main screen. Once you're in the Manage Cryptos section, search for BNB on the list. You'll find a toggle button next to BNB. All you need to do is switch this toggle on, and like magic, BNB will appear on your homepage, making it easier for you to access it in the future. Now, let's navigate back to the homepage where you should see BNB listed. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a dedicated page for BNB, where you'll see a QR code and the corresponding address for your wallet. This QR code can be scanned by others to quickly send BNB to your wallet, while the address itself is a string of letters and numbers you can share when necessary. Finally, you'll want to copy your BNB address. This can be done with a simple tap on the Copy button located nearby. It's always good to double-check the address once copied, just to ensure it's accurate before you use it in any transactions. Making sure you have the correct address is crucial to avoid any misdirection of funds. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully located and copied your BNB address within Trust Wallet. Keeping track of your wallet addresses and knowing how to access them easily is key to managing your digital assets efficiently. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides just like this one. Happy trading! Happy!